Hi, and welcome to a demonstration of how to use our 3D printed tactile and large print protractors from the Statewide Vision Resource Centre. These protractors were designed in conjunction with visiting teachers' vision and students who are blind or have low vision. There are two different versions of this protractor. One has print number markings and the other does not and just has lines. They both work in a similar way and use the rule of vertically opposite angles being equal to help students measure angles. I'm going to demonstrate with the large print protractor. To measure an angle, place the main part of the protractor next to one line of the angle. For the large print protractor, it should be the side with 180 degrees on it, and the nut should sit over the corner of the angle. Turn the arm to line up with the other part of the angle. For the large print protractor, the arm has been cut out so you can see through to the line of the angle and make sure that it's straight. The point end of the arm tells you what the angle is, in this case about 80 degrees. It's worth noting that these protractors measure in 5-degree increments, so accuracy will only be within about a few degrees of the actual value. Let's try another angle. So you need to line up the line with the 180 degree side, then move the arm around, this one is pointing to a little more than 160 degrees, but less than 165. So we might say that this one is 162 degrees. Finally, to measure an angle that's larger than 180 degrees, first measure the smaller angle and then subtract it from 360. In this case, the angle I'm measuring is about 45 degrees, so 360 minus 45 is 315 degrees as this total angle. Thanks for watching this demonstration of the large print and tactile protractor from the Statewide Vision Resource Centre.